Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the heart of every seafaring vessel, the auxiliary engine serves as the vital pulse, providing the electrical power necessary for navigation, communication, and crew comfort. To keep this mechanical giant running at peak performance, the cylinder head must undergo periodic reconditioning, a process that demands precision engineering and meticulous attention to detail. Our journey into the world of marine engineering begins with the removal of the cylinder head from the engine block, followed by a comprehensive disassembly where every valve, spring, collet, and guide is carefully cataloged. The first major hurdle is the removal of stubborn carbon deposits and heavy scale buildup, which we tackle through intensive chemical cleaning and ultrasonic baths to reveal the bare metal beneath. Once cleaned, we transition into the critical inspection phase, where we utilize non-destructive testing methods like dye penetrant or magnetic particle inspection to hunt for invisible hairline cracks around the injector holes and valve seats. Even the smallest fracture under high pressure can lead to catastrophic engine failure at sea. We then turn our focus to the valve guides and spindles, measuring them with high-precision micrometers to ensure they fall within the strict tolerances set by the manufacturer. If the valve guides are worn beyond limits, they are pressed out and replaced to maintain perfect alignment. The valve seats themselves often require resurfacing using specialized grinding equipment to restore the exact seat angle needed for a gas-tight seal during the compression stroke. We also pay close attention to the valve spindles, checking the seating faces for pitting or erosion. If the metal is healthy, we perform the traditional art of valve lapping, using fine grinding paste to create a perfect matte finish between the valve and its seat, ensuring no gas can escape. The cooling water passages are thoroughly descaled to prevent hot spots and thermal stress, while the fuel injector sleeves are checked for tight fitment and sealing. As we move toward reassembly, every component is lubricated and the valve springs are tested for their compression strength to ensure they can snap the valves shut at high speeds. The final assembly is a symphony of torque and precision where every nut is tightened to exact specifications using calibrated tools. We conclude the process with a rigorous hydraulic pressure test to verify that the water jackets and valve seals are completely leak-proof. This reconditioning process is not just maintenance. It is a commitment to the safety of the vessel and the efficiency of the voyage, ensuring that the auxiliary engine remains a reliable source of power amidst the unpredictable nature of the ocean. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.